Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients before heating. 1 cup watermelon juice, 3 tablespoons unflavored gelatin, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/2 teaspoons citric acid, and 1/8 teaspoons salt. If you want brighter color, add 1 teaspoon beet juice or a drop of red food coloring. Prepare molds now. Use silicone molds or a 9x9-inch pan lightly oiled with 1 teaspoon neutral oil so gummies release cleanly. Keep a small sieve and whisk at hand. Cold juice helps prevent clumping when you bloom the gelatin for 1 to 2 minutes. Bloom the 3 tablespoons of gelatin in 1/4 cup cold watermelon juice for 1 to 2 minutes until swollen. In a small saucepan, gently warm 3/4 cup watermelon juice with 2 tablespoons honey and 1/2 teaspoons citric acid to about 120 degrees F. Do not boil. Remove from heat and whisk in the bloomed gelatin until fully dissolved and glossy. Pour through a fine sieve into prepared silicone molds. Refrigerate uncovered for 45 minutes. Then cover and chill an additional 2 hours to fully set and firm. Once set, unmold gummies and if sticky, toss lightly in 1 tablespoon cornstarch or 1 tablespoon granulated sugar to coat. Shake off excess. Store gummies in a single layer in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 10 days or freeze for up to 2 months. For chewier, slightly more shelf-stable texture, substitute 1 tablespoon of honey with 1/4 cup light corn syrup and adjust citric acid to 1/4 teaspoon. Label containers with date and flavor. Serve chilled. Let sit 5 minutes at room temperature before eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.